Welcome back. In this section, we learned about JavaScript modules. What we had before, where we started with just simple script tags that just had one single file of JavaScript in the beginning. And as our programs, as our web pages started getting more and more complex, we started to see problems with just simple script tags, simple JavaScript files. We needed a way to have modules. And we learned about how we used immediately invoked functions to create the module pattern. And as things got more and more complicated, well, we needed other ways to improve on that system. So libraries like CommonJS and AMD came into play to make our code more reusable, more modular, so that we can start sharing code with other programmers around the world. And then finally, we have our native ES6 module, where JavaScript is a serious language now that has modules built in. And because of modules, we now have reusable code, reusable functions, which allow us to have code that is more maintainable. We're able to separate concerns and divide up our programs into small chunks that work on their own. We avoided the global namespace pollution. We can now compose different modules together to add different functionality to our programs. We can use third-party code on places like NPM. More importantly, if you're Google or Microsoft with thousands of developers, we now have this idea of modules where we can isolate teams of developers to work separately on their own modules, on their own parts of the code. We now have a way to organize this code better. And without modules, imagine how hard it will be to build the applications that we have now. So I hope you see the power in that. And with ES6 modules, we now have the ultimate power to build large applications with JavaScript. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.